Good morning. It's a Saturday morning to all members of DailyNetPay, Try 90K plan, and as well revenue from advertising. This update is for Saturday, November 3rd, 2018. And just a quick reminder, this is a quick update to let you know the latest, and tomorrow night, Sunday night, it's the special, and so just want to fill everybody in because many members are asking, because I have purchased some med packs in the past, will they count? Well, here it is. This is what this update is all about. The DailyNetPay, along with T90K plan, it's Try 90K plan, and revenue from advertising, it's a proven to work 3-in-1 system where it does not fail, is going through a major shift to earn you real income. And this shift, ladies and gentlemen, I believe will become the best of passive earnings due to changes of the DailyNetPay at pack number 1, which will become the DNP private trade share, PTS, as of Monday, November 5th. Okay, so will not be no longer promoted or purchased as DNP advertising pack. It will be PTS. And this is the major trend I'm talking about. I've done lots of work again by changing this, and and I believe this is it, because I'm going into like almost part-time, full-time trading. I love it. The profits are great. The network marketing industry, I'm still part of it and always will be. But, it's just getting harder out there to get into this network marketing with all this, what's happening. Just last week, 3 programs, high-yield investment programs, went down the tubes. And some of our team leaders were part of it. There are still some out there that are doing great, but, they're not going to be there for life. And many of you know that. It's, I've just been paid in the past. I made over $40,000. That was probably the longest one high-yield investment plan that I've been in it. It lasted about 2 years, and after that, it just, disappeared. These are exactly what they are, high-yield investment programs. Either you invest a lot of money, risk that money, or bring lots of people and earn from referral commissions. Well, the major shift to earn you a real income. This is a real income, down-to-earth income, where you're going to see my live trades, you see the profits, you see the up to 150% payout. And this is what the shift of DailyNetPay, the entire Try 90K plan, is all about. So the major shift will earn you passive income and will show you the money. I am 61 years old, and I have 4 more years to retire, and my plan is to earn at least $1 million by trading crypto and forex currency. Right now, I'm associated with 3 associates of mine that have been doing crypto and forex trading in the past couple years. One, a great lady, she has started 2 years ago. Last year, she has earned over $300,000. It's amazing. The beginning wasn't so great, but eventually she figured it out. And, trading is great, but it does require market study. You got to know how to read the charts, how to stop losses, all kinds of stuff. You don't have to worry about it because we will show you the money. The major trend, the shift, will show you the money. Okay, so that, once again, that major shift can also earn you a nice passive income through the new DNP private trade shares. And we're going to call them short form PTS. We will start with a 150% return on your purchase or an investment. I don't like to call them investment. These are trade shares, but you're going to get a return of 150%. And if our trades go above 5% daily, there will be additional bonuses for those who have at least 10 private trade shares that have purchased, okay? And that's something into the future. I'm not promising you anything right now because right now you're going to hear what kind of averages we get. So you see in this our 2 close PTS trade shares from yesterday. This was British pound against New Zealand dollar. Okay, we have closed for 1.7%, $117.62 profit. That was in the last two hours. Okay, this one I gotta make the picture a little bit bigger, but anyways, this one is British pound against the Australian dollar. This was a better trade, $201.84, and then less than a few hours, return was 2.01%. So, we have trades like that on a daily basis. What I can tell you, my trades for the month of November range from 0.8% to 5.4%. Would be nice to have at least 2% plus each day, but not all trades are profitable, and that is normal. We got on average 7 out of 10 win, and that is pretty good. And this month, I'm aiming to have at least 8 out of 10 win. No trading is done over the weekend, okay? So Friday is the last day, about 3 o'clock, 4 or 5 at the latest. That's it. So payments for purchasing the private trade shares, PTS, will become available on Sunday night, which is November 4th. That PTS purchases in groups of 5, 10, 25, and 50, these are lots also, will be available in your DNP members area by Monday morning, November 5th. Now, if you do not want to use STP or Bitcoin, or maybe you cannot use Solid Trust Pay, see other payment options, okay, to find out how we can do it. And basically, you can send money order in US dollars payable to me. You have my office number in here. You can also send cash. And the other way is Western Union, but I prefer money orders, anything like that, over Western Union. But that is up to you. The other choices you have in here. Andy, our programmer, has not completed the PTS commission earning payout coding. Okay, I already have it in my admin area, but now has to be coded to appear in all DNP members area. This is in your DNP members area, so you see how much money you're earning, how much you're gonna get paid, and every time you get paid, you're gonna see that. He will let me know when it's done. Okay, that is the only major function that I am waiting for him to do. He said might be ready by today or even tomorrow, but I am not sure. Like yesterday, a pretty busy day, and weekend he's going to try to finish it. Sometimes, these things do take a little time to finish. Originally, I said the PTS will start in the month of December, but we're to the high demand and requests, we're pushing to be in for November. So it will be soon. Special. This is until Sunday, November 4th at midnight. As stated at the meeting or in our past updates, next week, the DNP pack number 2 will become PTS advertising pack, which will be used to get your 1 or 2 paid members into PTS so you can double or triple that income. And if you go to DailyNetPay and you click, this is the main site, but when you go in here, click how it works, you're going to see all the new change at packs, packages. There is no more pack number 4, even though it's still on the site there on the application form, but don't worry about that. Andy's going to fix that. He's working on that. But anyways, this is where you will find. All right, so this is how you learn, get to know this, what the DNP packages are all about and what they offer. All right, so the double and triple your income is basically the new advertising pack, which is number 2. This is the one. That is going to be $59.95 as of Monday, November 5th. You can still get it at $49.95. okay, before it is changed. So once again, you will get 90 days of special advertising plus co-op. Now this special co-op advertising will include this promotion, and this is going to be active next week. This is like a squeeze page, but the squeeze pages get a lot more attention than opt-in pages, but this is going to lead into opt-in page, because when they want to watch a free video, this is where the free video is going to be installed in here, and from here they're going to go into the DNP private trade shares or entire system that we have in there. So this is how this special promotion is going to work, and we're going to spend $3,000 we have in budget for the month of November. So this is what that PTS advertising is all about. As of Monday, once again, it's going to be $59.95. You can still get it in by late at midnight tomorrow, Sunday, for $49.95. Another thing I get a lot of members, okay, they're asking, I purchased DNP at pack number 2 in the past, will that count? Your past DNP at packs number 2 purchases do not count towards this private trade share, the PTS advertising. This is new. This is for the PTS only. The other packs, the other advertising, it's gone. That money is into advertising. You probably still have advertising going out there, but that's promoting the entire system. Now, this is the new are geared to double, triple. You know, you might get 4 or 5 paid signups. You're probably going to get lots of prospects through that PTS advertising pack, but we are aiming to get you 1 or 2 paid members. Out of those, you know, maybe 3, 4 that will join, maybe out of those 50 prospects that, or whatever you're going to get. And this is, you know, maybe you're going to get 4 or 5 paid members. The return or the conversion rate is quite high, and I think that where we're going to be promoting and the high investment forums, programs, stuff like that, we're going to get quite a bit response in here. So, you know, order your pack now, reserve your spot. Another thing, all members should be in revenue from advertising, because the revenue from advertising, we are working DailyNetPay, Try 90, and revenue from advertising. The Try 90K plan consists of DailyNetPay, Try 90K plan, and revenue from advertising. We are going to push everything in the DNP with PTS, with those private trading shares, to start moving the revenue from advertising at packs into the higher levels. Now, if we go into the revenue from advertising, you can see the main site has been changed a bit. We have only ad packs from 1 to 15, and this is where you can earn well over $20,000 per one entry into revenue from advertising. We took out the 16, 17, 18 because if we stick with this, it's a lot easier to push members from stage 1 to stage 2, and from stage 2 to stage 3. So stage 4 was taken out, because if you can earn it in here per one entry, you'll be quite happy. Do 3, 4 entries a year, you have nice $100,000 income. And once again, the stage 1 in-house web traffic is a fast cash biz where you can earn instant $150 commissions plus $10, $20, $30, $40, and $50 commission. This is where you're going to go and view the DNP at pack number 3. All right, when you click in here, it's going to actually take you. And don't worry, because it shows up mine. It's those who are promoting, there's a code that catches your code. And DNP pack number 3, this is the Fast Cash Biz package, okay? This is what includes everything that we have, and nice instant commissions as well. So, if you're not a member of our revenue from advertising, you should be. All right, because we are going to push through this entire PTS advertising pack, through the PTS private trade shares. We're going to get those members. They're going to start earning money. They're going to be going into revenue from advertising, the true, real income, passive income, and we're going to do the rest. All right, so please note, free or those members who are not in the revenue from advertising yet, purchase the current DNP at pack number 1 at the lower cost, which is at $49.95 right now, and you will be placed with a paid entry into revenue from advertising at pack number 1, and you will get also more advertising. Another thing, all free members in the DNP Try90K plan will be removed and will lose their current positions. So once again, if you're a free member in DailyNetPay, which is Try90, just log into your Try90K plan, DailyNetBiz for you. At the main site, at the members homepage, you have SDP coin payments. Make that payment to be active. You have till Sunday night. Under that, it will be removed. Now, if you're a free member or unreconciled that means not approved. Unreconciled members usually stay in DailyNetPay up to 2 weeks because of the autoresponder messages after that. If they do not upgrade, they are going to be removed. So if you are a free member of DailyNetPay, log into your DNP, click on tab Upgrade, and select DNP at pack number 1 or highly suggested number 2. So once you log in to DailyNetPay members, okay, this is, I'm already logged in. You can see John's DailyNetPay members area. There's POT. This is the very vital information. That ad expires, that means you're active member. You have some advertising going in there. This is how you know. If this is, say for, it says ad expires November 1st, 2018. Well, that means you have no advertising whatsoever done by DailyNetPay advertising platform. But if you are an unreconciled member, all right, you can go down in your downline. Like I have many unreconciled members you can see. All right, these unreconciled members, the green ones are new ones. The old ones, in black, all right, they're going to be removed. So if you're one of them, you just click here, Upgrade, and you see click to purchase at pack number 1 or at pack number 2, which I suggest, or you can even purchase at pack number 3. Don't worry about 4. 4 doesn't work anymore because we're gonna have only 3. As of Monday, you're gonna see in here extra stuff added. This is where you're gonna see PTS groups of 5, 10, 25, and 50. It's gonna be in here. So this is how you do it. Upgrade. You know, you log in to your members area of DailyNetPay, click to upgrade, purchase like DNP at pack number 2. You got SDP or coin payments right now. If you want to send me other payments, you can click up there and you'll know. So this is how it works. You can also get to know other stuff in your DailyNetPay members area, which is I highly suggest. Okay. Once again, I already showed you a free member of Try90K plan. DailyNetBiz for you. Just log into your T90KP, and right at the main members page, you can make your payment. And this is right there. This is your, as soon as you log in, this is your main page. Just scroll down a bit, and you're gonna see that. Either way, all free members will be removed if they do not become active members or a have paid position. Free members do not earn any income. They just take up our valuable space in our servers, and we only going to be dealing with real people for real earning income. All right, so these are who are going to be in here are serious. We're doing a lot of shifting, a lot of major trend shiftings in here to work with the best of the best who want to earn real income from a real source, not some kind of high investment plans where they pay you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. But do they show you their trades? You are seeing my trades. You're going to be seeing those trades. This is from a real person to real trading to real earnings right directly to you. If you have not attended our last meeting, it has been recorded for those who could not who couldn't be there, and basically just click on here and attend to learn. And the next meeting, I'm not sure where it's going to be, but you can, if you have time over the weekend, I would highly suggest to listen to that meeting. So this is it for Saturday. Have a safe, enjoyable, and blessed weekend. Until next week, God bless.